Hello guys, in this advanced trick video, I would be telling you how to solve these 3 advanced F2L cases. For the first case, we have situation like this when this case goes diagonally right here. For the algorithm for this case goes like this: R prime F U prime F R. In the back, this pair would look like this: F R prime U R and F prime like this. For the second pair, we have situation like this when this pair goes right into this slot. To do this, we have to separate this pair via U prime and do a sledgehammer. That would set up this case to insert. For the third case, we have situation like this when this case goes right here. What most people do, take it out and insert, but that takes one rotation, and I have a rotationless insert for it that goes like this: L U prime L prime. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Cubing Tips and Tricks.